Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a room tour of Jade Suites in Vijayawada. Smart lock. Once this is locked, no one can even open it from outside. Once we enter, there is this full length mirror here, which is a door which opens to the bathroom. In the bathroom, there is one whole wall of mirror, and there is this marble wash basin, and the toiletry is provided here. This is body lotion, shaving kit, shower cap, sanitary kit, dental kit. There is this soap, and there's a glass there. What is this? This is just a drawer, and towels are provided here. And this is the commode partition. This is the commode partition, you can see. This is the shower partition again. Again, with some conditioner, shampoo, bath gel, and a soap is provided. There is this hand shower as well. And this side, if you come, this is a little different from the regular bathrooms. The storage is provided here itself. You can see the locker here, the laundry bag, and the house slippers. The weighing machine is also provided here, and the hangers are provided here. So you get dressed and you can step out of the bathroom. And storage here. There is this beautifully framed painting on top of the commode, and there is this mirror. So let's get back into the room. You enter, there is this sitting area. You can see a big sofa here with two individual chairs and a center table, and then two pools provided here, and you can see the TV. This is like your sitting area. You have your TV and you can enjoy watching your favorite movie or whatever. And this is the king size bed provided. And again there is one more TV provided here. So if you prefer to watch looking at the TV from your bed, you can watch this TV, which is nice. I never saw a room which has 2 TVs provided in one room. And this side of the bed, on either side of the bed, there are some side tables provided. In here you can see the telephone, the TV remote, and the Tata Sky remote. There's a notebook and pencil provided. These are storage provided. The same thing on the other side. And here there is a big, very comfortable armchair provided with a footrest. I can use this as a footrest. Very comfy. And if we come to this side, there is this beautiful painting. I think this is a cloth painting, very nicely framed. And this is the desk with a office chair provided. A dustbin is provided below, and some storage. And this is the tea station. So standard kettle and water bottles, cups, and coffee, tea, the hot beverages stuff is provided here. Let's see what is below. This is storage. Storage here. Yeah, I was looking for this. So you have the mini bar here, which is currently empty. And again storage here. So overall I can say this is a very comfortable room to stay. Even if you are a family of 4, I think it can accommodate a family of 4 and make it a very comfortable place. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.